Hello viewers, hope you're doing well. Today in this video, I'm going to create a navbar for the not logged in users. So let's get started. As you can see, the React.js application. So let me open here, header component. Now inside this, let me add here the fragment. So first of all, I'm going to add here the tag for the box. Inside this, we have a tag for the app bar. Inside the app bar, we have a tag for the toolbar. Inside the toolbar, we have an icon button where we have a menu icon. After the icon button, we have a typography tag with the navbar caption, that is a book app. After the typography tag, we have a nav links with the caption login and the register. As you can see the buttons, first for the login, second for the register. On the click of these buttons, we are navigating the user to the login and the register page. As you can see the path that we have /register and /login. Now here on the top, I'm going to add the imports of the material UI components that we are using. As you can see the imports of the material UI components. After that, we have an import link from the React router DOM. Now you can take a look of the header component. Now let's go back to the browser. As you can see the header where we have a two nav links, login and the register. Now let me click on the login nav link. As you can see, it's navigating us to the login page. Now I'm going to click on the register nav link and it's navigating us to the register page. After that, let me open here Node.js application. As you can see the src package. So inside this, I'm going to create a files for the auth controller, service and the route. So I'm going to create a new folder inside the routes package with the name auth. Inside this, we have a new file with the name auth route.js. Now let me copy this. Let me paste inside the controllers package. And I'm going to update the file name that we have auth controller.js. After that, let me paste inside the services package. And I'm going to update the file name that we have auth service.js. After this, let me open here app.js. Inside this file, I'm going to add here the middleware that for the setup of the routes, where the routes can accept request payload in the form of a JSON. As you can see, the middleware that we have app.use. Inside the argument of this, we are passing here express.json. Now after that, I'm going to add another middleware. As you can see, so basically, this middleware passes incoming HTTP requests with URL encoded payloads, for example, form submissions. And this middleware passes incoming request with JSON payloads. So that's all from my side. If you have any confusion, you can do comment. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.